Hello again. I'm going to look at composite functions and how they work. Here we go. I've made up two functions here. F of x is root 3x minus 1, g of x is 2x squared plus x plus 3, and I'm going to find out what f of g of x is and what g of f of x is. I'm not, in this video, going to worry about whether the composite functions exist or not. I'm not going to deal with that part of it. Just going to find what the combined ones are. Here we go. First of all, to find f of g of x. That just means, here we got f of x is looking like this. For f of g of x, every time I see an x, I replace it with g of x. Every time I see an x, I replace it with g of x. That is, with all of that. So what it should look like is, it's going to be the square root of 3, replace the x with g of x, the whole of g of x. So replace it with all that, and I get 3 into 2x squared plus x plus 3 minus 1. I'll make that look just a little bit simpler. Multiply out the bracket, 6x squared plus 3x plus 9 plus 1, and then get and that would be it. That's f of g of x. So just wherever there was an x, I've replaced it with g of x. Similarly, to find g of f of x, there's g of x, it equals that lot. And everywhere I see the x, I replace it with f of x. That is, with all of that. And I will get 2x squared and then I will simplify that. Now square root and squared, inverse operations cancel each other out, and we get 2, 3x plus 1. And again, we'll just do as much simplifying as we can.